Hello, I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle collision in the Jacksonville or Jacksonville Beach area, give me a call. The call and the consultation is free, 866-402-4250. I'm an osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine, but I've spent the last 30 plus years dealing with patients who have been involved in auto accidents. I understand how to diagnose and treat soft tissue injuries. You only have 14 days to report your injuries in the state of Florida. The options are to go to your primary care doctor. They will not diagnose or treat injury cares. I know that. You can verify that by calling their office. The other options, go to the emergency room or urgent care, sit for hours among sick people, spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to have excessive CAT scans done, sent home with a diagnosis, no acute findings because they found no broken bones, because they missed the whiplash and soft tissue injuries, and a prescription medication that I could have given you without you ever leaving your home. So we have a telemedicine portal now that allows you to come to us. It's simple. We send you a link, you tap on your cell phone, you open it up. We're in a HIPAA compliant platform where we can speak. I'll ask you about the history of the collision, your injuries, your pain, review your range of motion, review your past medical surgical history. It's a comprehensive intake assessment. I share that information with your primary care physician if you wish I do that. Most primary care physicians, although won't treat injuries, love to hear about their patients' diagnosis and treatments, and particularly like to hear that they're being followed by another board certified family physician. So I can see you in this telemedicine portal. Document your injuries like they should be. Prescribe medications without you ever leaving your home. Send reports off to your attorney, to the responsible insurer, and the insurance company pays for that visit. So you don't wait hours among sick people in urgent cares or emergency rooms. You just go home. Call me. I'll take care of it. Call me anytime if you have any questions about injuries, car accidents, at 866-402-4250. We have a network of healthcare providers in the Jacksonville area, including chiropractic physicians, physical therapists, neurologists, orthopedic surgeons. We also have attorneys that help you with the cases. Now we are providing that local care, so you can get care for your injuries within blocks of your home. It's just this telemedicine visit that saves you the travel of going to an ER or urgent care. It also helps create the right medical reports. If you're going to a clinic and they don't report these injuries appropriately or do what the ER does, say there's nothing wrong because we see no fractures, you may end up paying for the medical bills. You need a solid case. Attorneys send patients to me because I know how to build solid cases. I've been doing this for 30 years. I know what needs to be in there. I know how to diagnose soft tissue injuries. I know what treatment you need. I'll make sure you get into the appropriate healthcare providers, that you get the MRIs you need, the other consultations you need. You can trust that I'm going to take care of you on the front end of this case. So if you've been injured in an accident, even those who are at fault, you need to report your injuries. You have 14 days to do it or you get no care. Many patients, particularly at-fault patients, think that if they don't report the injuries, their rates won't go up. But unfortunately, your rates will go up. Everybody's rates go up every year regardless of accidents. If you've been at fault, sure, your rates will probably go up, but not because you reported the injury. So report your injuries even if you don't get treatment. So if you report the injury, you can just sit on it. Give yourself some time. See if you're going to heal. If you are, you don't need anything, just close the case. But if a few weeks after the injury, you start getting more pain, more intense pain, and you need care, you have it. The window's been open for you to access that care. So whether you're at fault or not at fault, you need to report your injuries. We're making it very easy with this telemedicine portal. And remember, the insurance company pays that bills. So go home, let me report your injuries, let me call in medications, sometimes delivered to your front door by the pharmacy, without you sitting in a crowded office or ER. So we work with the healthcare providers in your local community to provide the physical rehab. We work with your attorneys. I communicate with your physician and with the responsible insurer. If you have been involved in an accident and you're currently in treatment and you're not getting anywhere, again, call me for a free consult, 866-402-4250. The call and the consultation is free. You may be stuck in a pip mill. 50 people coming in, 50 people getting the same thing done that everybody else is getting done, and 50 people out that day. That's not individual care that you deserve. Call me. I'll find a place where we can get you into individual care, better care. Or I'll call the center and suggest you need something different. Again, it's a free phone call, a free second opinion, 866-402-4250. When you call that number, you're going to speak to me, not a medical assistant, not a nurse, not a associate. You speak to me about your case. So I'm available 24/7, around the clock. You can call me. Weekends, evenings, it doesn't matter. I answer the phone. So if you have any questions about auto injuries, whiplash, what an MRI, why you need an MRI, what kind of consults you may need, give me a call. It's a free call. 866-402-4250. Thank you.